welcome back to another video. So today I will be pushing Buzz to maybe rank 15 or rank 20, but I will be pushing him very high. We're probably pushing him maybe to rank 17 or 16 today. So that's good. So let's get started, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, turn on all notifications, and I'll begin with the video. So I'm gonna try to push Buzz. He's right now rank 13. I'm gonna probably try to push him to rank 15. And he's right now power level 7. I really want to push him up very high because I just want to really push him up high so it's better so I can push him up and I will get more trophies. And I also really want to get the Brawl Box. I'm very excited for when I get it for my reward for 2,700. Alright, so let's begin. Sorry, David, not today. Alright, so let me start. Ooh, players found 10 out of 10 already. Oh, okay, let's start. Okay, I hope I win. I don't really want to go against sweaty brawlers, or else I'll probably lose. I'm just gonna get my supercharged up with my gadget already, so I can use it when I want. I don't have to wait. Alright, bulldoze do 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 do. Bulldoze do. I like when he says bulldoze do do do. I like when ball says that. Alright, alright. Sorry, Nita, but today you're dead. You're dying today. No, I died against Nita. Wait, no, the Shelly killed me, actually. Well, I mean, the Nita did a lot of damage, but then, Shelly just wanted to, think that she's the good. She's the goodie. Alright. So, I'm only at 2,660, so I have to win, 4 solo showdown. I have to win every single one first place, then I'll be able to get my Brawl Box. Alright, let's see. I hope I win. Alright, let me just go. I'm just gonna load up my super already, so I don't have to wait. So, yeah. Alright, let's go. Oh, I see that Dina McKay. Dang it, I missed him. You want some. Oh my god, that's so strong. Oh, this guy's so annoying. If you guys ever meet this guy, just say he's annoying, my guy. I want to freeze him to death, though. The hell, you dumb pro. I was gonna die to a dumb guy like him. Sorry, dude, but you're dead today. You ain't gonna... Come on. I'm too tired. No! No, I thought he was frozen. Okay, we just got rank 3. It's good. It's alright. Oh, I just got my 44 tokens. What am I gonna get next? Brawl Box, then 200 coins, and I'll get a Mega Box soon. Alright. I'll take it. Alright. So, I really want my quests. I'll both get it in 11 hours, so... I will get my quests in a very long time. So, yeah. So, I'm just gonna probably grind. And guys, if you guys ever want to join any of my games, I accept a lot of my friend requests, so here's my code. My code is LLP20CRL8. Please, you can friend me if you guys want, and I will accept. Because I like playing with new people, different people, fans and stuff. So yeah, just invite me to a game, and I'll play with you guys. I'm mostly active sometimes at 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then I just go playing outside. Then I'm sometimes active at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock sometimes. I'm not active all the time. Because when I'm done playing, I just go have some dinner, then I go play for a bit. Because I don't know, you know what I mean? Gotta money. Okay, Rix and Rico, you're dead. You ain't gonna get a blamos. Alright, so who should I take it out on? Alright, cool. I lost. He only had 1,001. I'm not sure, 1,015. That's all I saw. Alright, well, I did get 20, tokens, which is nice. Goodies. Alright, so, come on, play the game. Players. Alright, so guys, tell me what so you guys what is like what brawler are you did who won the did you guys win the Griff challenge? Please comment down below if you guys won the Griff challenge, cause your boy right here just lost the Griff challenge, so yeah. So yeah, I did not really win it, cause I swear I ain't gonna lie about this, but people play way too sweaty on that game. I did the I literally won zero. I'm gonna show you guys after I'm done this match, but I literally won zero, zero, no cap. I swear, no cap. What does those? I'm not when he says that. Wrong two now. Are you kidding me? You wasted all of my goodies. I'm trapping him, man. I'm trapping. We're trapping me. I'll trap him. You ain't going anywhere, boy. You ain't going anywhere. Till I clown freeze you, bro. Dude, this guy's a goodie. This guy's a goodie. I'm dead. Anthony, no. Victoria, Victoria. Whatever your dumb name is, just get out of here. This guy's called a monkey garter. Bro, this guy's camping. Oh, sheesh. Oh, sheesh. I am very sorry for disturbing your business. I promise won't happen again. I literally was disturbing that guy's business. Ah, guys, this guy's good. This guy's good. Who keeps throwing those things? I'm pretty sure they come anytime. What is those? Oh my god, no, damn it. But I did get second place, which is nice. Alright, I'll give you the win, Victoria. But you gotta give me the second place win. Wow, I'm already at 44. Let's see how much trophies I'll claim. Just wait for this thing to load. Wow, I got 64 on my goodies. Actually, no, I want to switch map. Oh, no. Yeah. I want to switch to, let's do some brawl ball. I mean, basketball, because, guys, tell me, comment down below what your favorite thing is, like, with the map things. Like, once there was volleyball, there was basketball, there's other stuff. Hold the trophy, there's, trophy thieves. Which one's your favorite one? My favorite one's actually the basketball. So I'm, like, so happy it came. Because I was waiting for this thing, and I'm like, is this thingy ever gonna come? Alright, Buzz Bow has to do some damage to some people. So Buzz will be late with late. Alright, let's go. Oh, don't call me no beast, Buzz Bow. For me, Nave, when you need me. Alright, let me go. This guy's trash. But this guy's probably cab, brother. Damn it. And I'm playing on a computer, so it's actually kind of hard. Cause computer, I'm trash at computer. Let's go. Your boy just got it. The pro boy just got it. Let's go. Bro, I literally aimed my super, but it didn't work. Alright, this guy wants to go. Pro boy 9 always takes the W. Let's go. Come on, guys. I hope you guys beat these guys up. They're so annoying. Guys, I think if you score a 3-pointer, you win. How am I the star player? Give it to Master or Angel. How mean? What did I do? I'm not sure what I did, but alright. I'll take it. So I'm going to be playing again. Well, like, that was crazy. How did I win? Guys, comment down below if you guys thought inside of that round I would win. I thought it was the Panda Bear Nita. I've done nothing to them. All I did was, hey guys, I'm a nutcracker, and I left. I did nothing. What did I do? Oh, Angel is a pro, and I just scored one. Cause she scored a 3-pointer. I only scored a 2-pointer. My guy, what is? How did she? Cheese. Ball does those. You tie break with somebody? Alright, If this Jason guy or whatever his name is, if he wins, his name is GC8. How did he win though? You guys should give the crown to me for even there being inside the game. Dude, I told you guys like guys, look at my screen. It's always lagging. Look, I'm not doing anything. It just says that this thing is up. It's so annoying. This thing always happens. Now I'm trapped. Doesn't even let me move. I have to move by these, but I don't. Now they let me move. It take that long for their dumb system to work. Alright, let's go. Come on, dude. Can I score, please? Yeah, you ain't gonna score if I don't score. Let's see this. Let's see this. Oh, yeah, it can't be. It's alright. I'm about to get him to rank 14, which is gonna push him up. I'll just sleep in. Oh, if I play one more round, I'll get the Brawl Box. Let's go. And I'm about to get him to power level 14, then 15. Then your boy will be making some money. Alright. Wait, but... Alright, let's go. Come on. I hate the loading screen. This loading screen... Oh, I was about to press exit. Little did I know I was about to get inside the game. I am so dumb. That's why you should, guys, never do it. Alright. Oh my god, this is so annoying. It's so hard to play. Alright, let's go. Done. Thank you, ball, for saving my life when I was about to die. And I don't want to die. I did not want to die. Against an El Primo. Thank you. Thank you, ball. Thanks. Ball. Don't. How am I even winning? No way, I just killed that Carl. Bro, imagine I scored with only 8. Dang it, I was gonna score with only 8 health. That'd actually be a very nice trick shot. They could have killed me. Alright, this guy's frozen dead. Let's see this, ghost boy. Done, ghost boy. I missed that. Didn't really target on him. Let's see this. Marzitas bands. Let's go, bro. Look who it is, the egghead. He's an egghead. Luli. You guys, don't touch my floaty. No one can touch floaty. Dang it, no. I am right now so mad that I lost that. Nope, not today, Carson Jordan Carl. Oh, I called him by his real name. Are you kidding me? Dynamite sucks. Dynamite is so annoying. Vocation. Odie. Alright, look, this guy has to die. Yeah, this is a stupid suit. I don't know why I'm even wearing the suit. But that thing just destroyed me right over there. Alright. Colonel Ruffs, Colonian Ruffs, Ruff Puff. They're winning right now. I can't believe this. What? I tried to aim it there. My vocation. Guys, go. Go. If this guy doesn't score, he's dead. He's dead today. Let's go. He scored. He saved our lives. Of course. It's overtime. My guy, it's overtime. If we lose this... Oh, Yori. Colonian Ruff Puff, no. If they lose, I swear. Colonel Ruffs, no, please no. Colonian Ruff. Ruff Puff, come on. Come on, dude, we got a deal.